Hi everyone. So coming to your question, right? So the question is, in which of the following scenarios parameter values or list cannot be refreshed? So first of all, what type of parameter that you will create over here? The parameter would be like this, not a fixed one. When workbook opens, then when the workbook opens, it should show me the ID, right? That means if will make any change to the ID over there, it should reflect over there. For example, if I put 3 over there and let the rest remain as it is. So if I refresh it, right, if I refresh it and if I go over there, I can see 3 over there. So this is the case when it will refresh. Now the question is when it will not refresh. Now the options that you have over there is, there are, means like the default field returns null. So let us try to make one of the rows over there as null. And if I just say save, and if I go over there and I say, I refreshed it, and now I see 1 or 2. So if I turn any one row to null, so it is getting refreshed at least, right? So I don't see that it is not getting refreshed, right? The default field returns null. So if it returns null like this, I can refresh it, means I can see 1 or 2 there. The default fields returns a value whose data is incompatible with the parameter's data type. Okay, so that means if your parameter is of type number over there, if you see, right? If I turn it to say ABC and I refresh it, so if you see uh, it will not give you the value, it will not refresh it because it's incompatible, right? ID is of type number, but here you have strings over there, so it's incompatible, so it will not refresh. So second looks okay. Third one looks okay because the default field is in a data source that is not connected yet, right? So if it is connected to a particular, say if there are multiple data sources and it is connected to a particular data source which is not connected yet, so it will not refresh. So that's okay. The user cancel the query to the data source while Tableau is attempting to connect, right? So if you, means if it is trying to query or it is trying to refresh itself according to a particular table, and if you cancel that query, so yes, this will also avoid, this will also avoid, and this will also avoid. This one also, this one it's looks like default field returns null, right? If your default field returns null, like this one. Now, if they are talking about a particular row or the whole, so we did that for a particular row. Uh, you can say that it caused refresh because you could see 1 or 2 over there, so it was refreshed. And if you keep all the rows as null over there, right? So for that, let me first convert that to 1, 2, 3, and then we will see, right? Otherwise, because it was already null, so you cannot see that factor, right? Okay, I changed that to 1, 2, 3. Now I am saying that delete everything there, right? And say save. And now if I just say refresh, so if you see it, so technically when you're turning that to null, it is refreshing, right? It is not uh, giving you the means like it is not giving you the previous value 1, 2, 3. It is getting refreshed, and if there is one null or if there are multiple nulls, and with the east region having ID number 1, so if I just go over there and we can see first case, I don't think so, right? If the default field will return null, it will refresh, but the null value will not come over there, right? So means we don't want to have null value over there, right? So that's it.